Welcome to Siddhar Secrets YouTube channel. Today we are trained a third day Yoga Dandam training, and for the best of benefits of this Yoga Dandam training, we are doing the substitute exercise. Before that exercise, we discuss about some story. We know a great story about the Lord Krishna. The Lord Krishna was advised his people to worship the Govarthanagiri, a small hill in his town. He refused to worship the Indradeva. So far the Indradeva became very angry and he tried to delete the people by his heavy rain, cyclone, something. But the Lord Krishna saved his people by took the Govarthanagiri as up as an umbrella. Same like that, we have a lot of powers within our body and mind and soul. We must to learn it is rise up to serve as an umbrella to keep our body, mind, soul, everything. So we are trying this small exercise. This is the pen, ordinary pen. You can use a pen or pencil, small wooden scale or something, a stick, or in case nothing, you can use this kind of your phone four finger and something like that. See, this is the pen. Now we are keeping it his hand like that. Okay, see, sit as straight. See, your both eyes are watching here to here, here to here, here to here. Stand straight. Sit and stand straight. Don't turn your neck or head here. Keep strongly and strongly. Only your eyes are going here and here. Left to the right, right to the left. Keep the pen in the left hand first only, and then again we are using this exercise by right hand. Okay. Now see, left here to here. Just raise your right hand very slowly. Then you continue the watching your eyes here to here, here to here. Both eyes are watching here to here, here to here. So my breathing is coming same as up. My backbone is coming as very straight. My lungs are so very I am powerful and strength. See, now my eyes are able to see directly here to here, here to here. But now I am not able to watch the pen. So here I am putting this pen here like that, top of my head. And now it is rising like that very slowly, very slowly. See, the hand is coming like that. The pen is going like that. The left hand is coming as a straight line. This is the level, and then up, 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 up. So my full breathing is coming here, whatever possible might be. And then now I am slowly come down. See, this pen is coming to this top of the head. Very slowly, we must do as very slowly. Now I am not able to watch the pen, but now I am able to watch this pen here to here, here to here. Do this exercise very slowly. No time is not mentioned a problem. Every person having a different time, but everyone must very slowly you can try this exercise only. No competition with the other person doing very fast or slow. You can do yourself only, whatever you are possible, here to here. Okay. Now we are changing it like to the right hand. Now we are doing the exercise with the right hand. Okay. See, keeping This pen as here like that. Just watch from here to here, end to end of the pen. Only both eyes are going here to here. No neck or head is turning here or here. Raising this right hand as slowly, very slowly raising the right hand. Keeping here to here, watching here to here, both eyes. So inhale of the breath is very slowly but very strengthily, very powerfully. Okay. Touching lightly with our body. Doing this exercise very slowly. See. Now the both eyes are watching here to here, here to here. Now I am not able to watch the pen, but I am keeping pen in my top of the head. Now I raising the like that. See here and here are coming as a straight line. The pen is coming like that. The hand is like that. See the wrist is like that inside of one of the body only. The wrist is like inside. The pen is going like that. Some person turning their hand like that or anywhere. No, you can keep the hand as very straightly. The pen is going straightly. Now up, 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 up. After sometimes you are not able to keep this position, we come down as very slowly to the head. We keeping as very slowly, very slowly. And now I am watching again here to here, here to here, here to here. Welcome to third day Yoga Dandam training program. The substitute exercise of the Lord Krishna method, that means we are raising up our all powers like the great story called Tanagiri with the Lord Krishna. The benefit of this exercise, we are keeping a first time in the left hand, keep the pen and keep rise as from top to whole body. What is the benefit of this exercise? The breathing is slowly rise up to our maximum energy, maximum size. If a person are trying to breathing exercise, what are they in like that? Or both muscles with their somebody are trying to, that is some breathing type of exercise. But on the kind of exercise, a small child not able to do that exercise, and the pregnant ladies and the operation patient or any uncomfortable persons are not able to do pranayama or some breathing exercise. But this kind of our method, Sutta Secrets, the Lord Krishna method, you can raise up your whole power. At the same time, your breathing exercise are very simply and beneficial. Your backbone has become as very straight and strength. You are maximum inhaling your breath and calmly it come down. So the no other breathing exercise are need after that. The both brain, left and right brains are same times activate, because the first time when we are doing with the left hand and the next time we are doing with the pen as same as right hand. So left and right side brains same times will be activate. So the benefit for mind and body soul are very much powerful. Just everything are like a very simple Siddha Secrets method. You please subscribe our channel, Siddha Secrets channel, and forward to your friends. Okay. You can also do this exercise sitting in your chair or whatever your comfortable place, even in your bed, whatever wherever possible. Just keep first same like that. Watching here to here, here to here. Keep as you are touching us body. First start with from here, touching with your body. Watch here to here to here. See. Thank you very much. Any doubts? Please call me Yogadanda Pon Parthasarthi, Vadabani, Chennai, Tamil Nadu, India. Subscribe our Siddha Secrets YouTube channel. Please forward to all your friends. Thank you. Welcome.